The cost of a Copenhagen Atomics reactor, what is that? There are sort of two parts to the cost. One thing is building the reactor unit itself and fueling it with fuel, and the other cost is getting the site license, building the building which houses the reactors. We need some cocoons, which is basically the shielding around the reactors, and we need steam turbines and other things on the site. And you could say roughly there's a balance, so half of the cost goes towards the reactor units and the fuel, and the other half of the cost goes towards the site license and the building and the steam turbines and so on. And the model that Copenhagen Atomics has is that we will sell the reactors at 50 million euros per reactor unit upfront, and then the continued operation of the reactor, including the fueling, costs $2 million per year in sort of a OPEX. And if you have these reactors in a low-cost country, then the cost of the building and the license and the cocoon and the steam turbine and all these other things that the owner of the power plant would have to pay is also roughly $50 million per unit. And of course, in more expensive countries, maybe twice that cost or whatever. It's really difficult to estimate the licensing cost. But in a low-cost country, you will eventually be able to deliver electricity at $20 per megawatt hour with these costs. So this is an incredibly low-cost form of energy, and also something that can be installed quite rapidly. We believe that these buildings, where we can install many reactors, can be built in less than 18 months in the beginning, and when we get up to speed, then later on we will be able to build them in half a year.